Ever wondered why your stomach sounds like a grumpy bear when you're hungry? Let's break it down fast. It's called borborygmi. When your stomach's empty, your brain sends signals to your digestive system to start moving, making those growling sounds. Without food to muffle, the noise, those contractions sound louder. And guess what? It's not just your stomach, your intestines join the party too. It's a survival hack. Those growls are your body's way of reminding you, hey, it's time to refuel, even if you're not starving. It happens every couple of hours. Next time your stomach speaks up, you'll know why. Hit like if you've learned something new, smash subscribe for more fun facts, and share this with a friend whose stomach loves to talk.